This is the MSI Pro 27-inch PC screen, and I loved having one so much that I bought a second one to use as my second screen. Really good quality. They're QHD, so they're 2560 by 1440. Really good resolution, up to 100 Hz. I use my PC for editing. We're on CAD here. Really good quality of screen here, and then we can go over to video editing. Awesome screen. You can adjust all the color settings in here to get everything dialed in and make sure that it is showing a true representation of color. Really like how well this is showing. There's some really cool features. It retains the color while reducing the blue light, and it also has some anti-flicker technology in there which helps prevent eye strain and fatigue, especially if you're using your computer for a long period of time. They have built-in speakers and they come with their own HDMI cord, so you don't need to buy an extra HDMI cord when you buy this screen. Comes with the plug as well, so you can fire this up and start using it as soon as you get it out of the box. You can adjust all the settings of the screen down here using the menu button. You can turn the low blue light on. You see it changes everything here, makes it a little bit easier to look at. I typically have mine off until later on at night. Then we can put the HDCR on and just watch this change. It's high dynamic contrast ratio, and I typically have that off, but I really like it as it is, but it really does pop when you turn that on. But really impressed with these screens, really happy with them. I even game with them as well, and they've been really good quality for games that I've been playing. So if you're looking for a computer screen or a second screen for your current setup, I'd highly recommend you get one of these MSI Pro 27-inch monitors.